Hi guys, today I'm presenting a Destinee Swap shampoo alternative. Hi guys, as you guys seen in the introductory slide, that today I'll be making a sustainable or a Destinee Swap hair care product of a swap of shampoo. So as I started and found a sustainability class, this was a topic that I felt that could relate to me the most because I am African American, as you guys see, and a lot of our hair care products don't work for our coarser hair. It might dry it out or damage it, and most of the time it's just really hard to take care of. So I'm sorry if you guys can hear the vent in my bathroom. That's where I am because this is the first time I'm trying this. So in the bathroom it's the easiest to clean up the mess, so hopefully it goes well. So here's an example of one of the old shampoos I used to use. In the ingredients box, it says it contains things such as alcohol and sulfates, so I know that can't be healthy. On sustainablebabysteps.com, here's the list of the ingredients that you'll need to make the shampoo. Okay, so during my weeks in Found a Sustainability, I've been researching different recipes, trying to find probably the easiest one. I wanted to get the ingredients locally so I could get more references or resources that I could use for future reference. I'm not sure. So I tried to find the easiest one, especially because I'm a beginner. So this recipe was actually found on sustainablebabysteps.com if anybody else wants to try it. So the ingredients are liquid cast-oil soap. So right here I have Dr. Bronner's peppermint hemp. I don't know if you guys remember, but in week 12 of our discussion, Dr. Thomas, she left a link of bestworldshopper.org, and it distinguishes the best sustainable companies from the worst sustainable companies. So if you guys see here on my phone, Dr. Bronner's is number 6 on that. So I've always used this soap. I guess I've been being a little bit sustainable my whole life, I guess. Well, not my whole life. I actually just discovered this like 2 years ago. But I chose the peppermint because peppermint oil, I've seen Dr. Thomas use it in her deodorant video. And if you've ever used this soap, it definitely makes you feel very clean. And it tingles when you use it. So I thought it'd be good for my hair. I don't know, so we're gonna see how that works. The next ingredient was canned coconut milk. I have this. I also got this from Walmart. I got the Dr. Bronner's from Walmart. You can find it really anywhere. You can get it online, Walmart. I've seen it in Target. I've even seen it in TJ Maxx, so you can get that anywhere. I have a cup of honey. So I have raw honey right here. Also got this at Walmart. It says 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. So I have that right here, a full jar of pure coconut oil. And then it says 1 tablespoon of vitamin E and 50 drops of essential oil. So recently on Instagram, I actually supported a black business, which is obviously very important to me. It's called Mega Growth Hair Strength. And she also makes her oils and shampoos and conditioners. So it has a lot of the ingredients that I needed already, but one of the ones was tea tree oil, biotin garlic oil, and it also has peppermint oil, so that knocks out the coconut oil that I needed. It also has black castor oil, and it also has I lost my spot. Lavender. Last ingredient was tea tree oil. I got this from the flea market, 100% pure Australian tea oil. I got this because I seen Dr. Thomas use it in her deodorant video. I also got a fresh aloe plant. I got this from my local Lowe's. You can get it anywhere. I think Michael's may sell them, Walmart, but I get them from Lowe's. It was 13 bucks. And it's a plant, so it'll grow back, and I can use it for a while. Aloe obviously has a lot of benefits. You can use it on your skin, on your hair, anywhere, so I thought this would be a good alternative. Okay, so the first ingredient is the liquid cast-oil soap. It says use a half a cup. So here's my measuring cup. It's a little worn out. We do a lot of baking around here. And I'm gonna take the Dr. Bronner's and measure that halfway. The next ingredient is 1/4 cup of coconut milk. So I got this, it's condensed. I got the condensed milk because I wanted it to kind of be thick. I didn't want it to be too watery. So hopefully it's not too thick. It looks pretty thick as you can see, but I kind of wanted the consistency of a regular shampoo. I didn't want it to just kind of be too liquidy. The next ingredient is 1/4 cup honey, and then it has 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E, and 50 drops of essential oil. So I'm gonna mix those all in together, and I'm probably gonna fast forward this so you guys don't have to see me struggle getting this honey out of here because it's very thick. So yeah, those are the ingredients. I'll have them in a slide below if you guys want to try this at home. As I promised, I definitely made a mess, but that's why I'm in the bathroom. So I'm now on my final product, and I'm now going to store it in a glass mason jar. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys someday try this. I hope it works good on my hair, and I hope I can continue using this recipe for the rest of my life to continue to be sustainable.